Boo! Hey guys, I'm K Falcon and welcome back to my channel. Welcome back, guys. This is part 4 of my Halloween series. Can you guys believe it? Halloween is literally just 2 weeks. In just 2 weeks, guys. Spooky season is almost officially over. But before that, I'm making sure that this season we go out with a bang. So last week's look, you guys saw me turn into a rotten cherry, spooky cherry, Halloween cherry, or whatever the heck you want to call it. A mixture between cute and spooky, but I thought at the end of the day it looked more cute than spooky. At least it was a Halloween look. So this one is going to be more undoubtedly on the spooky side, and this inspo actually comes from something that I wanted to do last year for Halloween. But you know, stuff happens, so it is what it is, right? So as you guys can probably tell from the title of this video, I will be doing a spooky Halloween half skull look. I'm thinking it the Skull Priestess. Yeah, I don't know. I'll figure out a name for it after I finish the look. If you guys are interested in finding out how this look turned out, be sure to stay tuned to this video. But before we get into it, I just want to take this time to remind you guys, as per usual, all the newcomers, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Subscribe to my channel, guys. Like and hit that notification bell right beside the subscribe button to get notified each time I make a post. Also, don't forget to share this video on all your platforms. I love seeing new people come in and watch and comment on my videos. It gives me a lot of inspiration, gives me a lot of motivation, guys. So please keep up the work. I really appreciate it. Also, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and follow me on all social media platforms, okay? It's very easy to find me. I am K Falcon everywhere. K_Falcon at Twitter, K.Falcon on Instagram, and K Falcon on Facebook. So don't forget to follow me there as well. Okay, so as per usual, because I don't know how long this video is going to be, I'm gonna stop my babbling. So let's get into the video. So I'm gonna first start out with using my Annabelle Kohl light eyeliner in the shade white to make a outline of these half skull that I'm doing on my face. I'm just doing an outline. I use the black one to kind of create the outline of the eyes. I am now going to get my brush. I'm using a foundation brush because it's like bigger and I want to get more of a surface area. Wet it a little bit, put it in my white, and I'm just going to paint the white around that area. Go in with the black to kind of paint over the eyes. I'm gonna go a little bit in the black, the finer brush, and I'm just gonna outline the edge of the skull. go into this black in the Fierce by Nature palette, and I'm gonna reinforce that shadow right across the perimeter of my eye right there.
So at this point, I'm just adding a bit of detail into this blank canvas, so to speak, using eyeshadow, black eyeshadow to be more exact. Some of this I kept, some of it I went over towards the end of the video because I didn't think it fit. However, I went back and forth between a flat brush, a blending brush, and a smaller precision brush in order to add the detailing as shown.
Go a little bit in a bit of brown right here. Again into the black. Silver right here. I'm gonna go into it and I'm just gonna create little bone lines. I'm gonna go into my Maybelline Master Precise. Go very lightly into that black here, and I'm just gonna lightly just go over that.
So this is a part where I mentioned earlier that I went over some of the work that I did previously to more suit my taste, because I just didn't like how it turned out there. So I went over certain aspects in order to shape it to how I felt that it worked better. So I finished off this look by adding some black eyeshadow underneath that particular area to kind of give a shadowed effect, and I blended that out with whatever was remaining on my foundation brush. That's to give a little bit more of a seamless blend.
A few moments later.
There you have it, guys. This is the final look. It took a lot out of me, like a lot of cleanup work, I should say. I had to go in a lot of times with the white and the black because it keeps blending together. But because of that blending, it kind of gives a lot of dimension to the skull instead of just black and white, you know what I mean? The lip, the teeth part was very difficult because, as you guys can see, I keep smacking my lips together and it's kind of ruining the effect of the teeth. But it's kind of helping. I don't know, it maybe makes the effect a lot more dramatic. But yeah, this is an easy skull face that you guys can do. I hope you guys like it because I certainly do. It is muy creepy. I don't know what the Spanish word for creepy is. If you liked this look, please give it a thumbs up. If you like this video and you'd like to see more of it, do not forget to subscribe to my channel. As I said before in my intro, please subscribe to my channel. Your support is much appreciated. Don't forget to share this video as well. If you end up recreating this look, tag me on all social media platforms: Twitter, Instagram, and Facebook. KFalcon anywhere, K_Falcon on Twitter, K.Falcon on Instagram, and KFalcon on Facebook. So yes, this one is a really easy half skull face that you can do. I will tell you from now that if you're using like paints that like what I have gotten from Amazon, it'll probably take a lot of back and forth with the blending to get rid of a lot of the streaky lines. What I find helps is when I use my fingers and kind of like pat, not necessarily rub, but pat on the area. It helps to kind of blend the paint a little bit more and take out that streaky line. So that's one tip I find when you're using these paints, if you get them from off of Amazon, to help them blend a lot more seamlessly. You can also use shadow to kind of add dimension. However, just be mindful that the base is white, and so if you're using eyeshadow, especially eyeshadow that has a lot of fallout, it could potentially cause some issues there, right? So yeah, be careful when you're using the eyeshadow. My best thing would be to use a precision type brush to kind of apply it, and then using a clean blending brush to kind of blend it out to give it maybe a little bit more of a smoother transition, right? So be sure to stay tuned for the finale of my Halloween series. Halloween is just around the corner. I hope you guys have a wonderful Halloween, regardless of, you know, the Rona and the fact that you can't really go out and party right now. But you know, you can party in your home, you know, that's what liquor's for. You get the spirits, you know, bottoms up. Those are the type of spirits I'm invited in my house, not the other kind, okay? So thank you guys for staying till the very end of this video, okay? And I will see you guys in my next one. See ya later.